All right, here's today's do now. Describe and correct the error in finding the angle measure. The measure of angle 1 is 122 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is 52 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is 52 degrees. This is incorrect. Identify the error and make a correction. Pause the video and give it a try. All right, we're going to introduce one more new theorem today. Theorem 1017, called the circumscribed angle theorem. And it says this: the measure of a circumscribed angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the measure of the central angle that intercepts the same arc. That is, angle ADB is 180 degrees minus the central angle ACB. Let's take a look at how that works. Example 1, find the value of x. We notice here that according to our theorem, this is a circumscribed angle, and that angle ADB is equal to 180 minus our central angle ACB. That is 180 degrees minus 135, or 45 degrees. Example 2, find the value of x. Note here that x is not the central angle. So in order to do this problem, we must first identify the central angle. So in this case, we need to go ahead and we need to find our central angle, which is EGF. We know, according to our inscribed angle theorem, that this arc right here, EF, is equal to the same value as double our inscribed angle. So we know this arc right here, EF, is 2x, which then means that our central angle, EGF, is also 2x. So we know that our angle, our 30-degree angle, our circumscribed angle, is equal to 180 minus our central angle. That is, negative 150 is equal to negative 2x. That is, x is equal to 75 degrees. All right, now your turn. Go ahead and try these two problems. Find x in each. Pause the video, give it a try. All right, now it's your turn to do a few more practice problems. Take a look at section 10.5 in the textbook. Complete exercises 12 through 14, 17 to 22, and 39 to 40.